So my name is Steve Nelson, and I am one of the co-facilitators of Agents of Change. And I just want to say that it's rewarding for me to be here with all my co-facilitators, Kingsley, Roland, Andrea, Mr. Muhammad. We are all just excited to have all these different kids from all different sides of town come together and break bread and have conversation about change in our community. And the goal is to make friends with different people, interact with different people, and remember some of the lessons that are being talked about and take it out in the community and act what we're actually learning. So with that being said, I'm honored to still be a part of Agents of Change, and I look forward to another year of bringing young minds together to change what's going on in our city of Bridgeport.
Hi, my name is Ashley Razor. I'm from Bridgeport, Connecticut. I'm 17 years old. I go to Bridgeport Military Academy, and I live on the west side of Bridgeport. One thing I want to learn from this program is how to prevent violence from my community, because I feel as if there's been a lot of things going on that could have been prevented if we all would have just tried a little bit harder.
That's my boy.
I'll read this. We need girls, like everybody as a community, because it starts with us for anything to change. So, if we grow, the things that will happen will stop, because the impact starts with us. So,
Kingsley Osei, the coordinator of My Brother's Keeper Agents of Change program. What we do hope to accomplish is to bring this youth together from all the different sides of the town and all the different schools, and I'm hoping that they can become ambassadors of violence prevention within their community and within their schools, and to make better choices.
Hi, my name is Carolyn Smith. I live in Bridgeport, Connecticut, on the west side. I go to Housatonic Community College, and I am 19 years old. The thing I want to achieve in this program is to get the guns off the street and stop the violence. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ricky. I'm 19 years old. I go to BMA school. BMA High School, and my side of town is the west side of Bridgeport, Connecticut. And what I want from this program is to make myself an even more better person than I already am. To spread my thoughts and spread my voice around my city, to so I can get to higher places throughout my state. So people can just know that us kids and us teenagers, we have voices as well, and then we also have thoughts and ideas to help the community and help everybody else around us.
Community associated with violence. I think Yadi gave the first. Did you give the first?
Drugs.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah, do you want to elaborate on it? Because you just didn't say drugs.
Oh, I just feel like drugs are taking over, and that's where violence comes from. Sometimes when people are off the drugs, they make crazy decisions, or over drugs people are fighting, and then like drug dealers and all that. It's just a lot of chaos over drugs. It's just a big problem. Like when you walk in the streets, you see a bunch of people off drugs, like on their way to go get drugs. It's a big problem here in Bridgeport.
It's true.
Hi, I'm Andrea Weller. I wrote the curriculum for Agents of Change. And a few things that I hope that the young people would get out of this is the recognition that they can be a change agent within their community. No matter what it is that they feel they would like to see within their community, they can bring that about by reaching out to people that they know that have a little bit more power than them, that will then be able to give them the power to do what it is that they want to do. And we also hope that they are able to recognize what violence looks like and how to identify it, and then how to be someone who can make it so that that violence no longer exists. And then one big thing that we really hope happens here is that our young people recognize that by themselves they can make a difference, but with each other they can really make a huge impact on the community. And I think we've seen that so far by some of the young people that are in there. They've been with us for a few years, and just seeing when they get together, the sisterhood and brotherhood that is a part of them just exudes out of everything that they do. So yeah, those are some things we hope to see.
My name is Tyrone Chappell. I'm 13. I go to Bryant School. I live on the east side of Bridgeport. I want to achieve going to college and going to the MBA from this program.
Oh yeah, we want to make us positive because I know I'm negative most of the time, but I'm trying to learn how to be positive and smile more and, you know, be in a good mood and make sure everybody else is good. Not spread no negativity. Oh yeah, we talked about teens killing teens because that's true. Like, it's just like young people killing young people. You know, it's not a grown man trying to kill little kids. It's like little kids trying to kill little kids, you know.
My name is JJ. I'm 17 years old. I go to Fairchild Wheeler High School. I'm from the south side of Bridgeport, and in this program, I would like to prevent violence, help other people in any way that I can, and just have a good time in the process.
My name is Maya. I am 19 years old. I go to Central High School. I live in Bridgeport, Connecticut. What I would like to change is people killing other people, but in my perspective, I want to help them try to better their life instead of just going after each other. Like helping my friends try to get out of trouble and not trying to get suspended from school or just not doing things that they're really not supposed to do.
Oh yeah. I feel like we need to speak up. Speak up as a community, and this is really directed to the criminals, because they need to think before they do something. Because there's people that lost their lives that's not here no more, and that's because of a dumb decision. Somebody didn't think and did before not thinking. And then
I have a question.
oh yeah.
You want a lot of rice? Huh?
Yeah,
You want a lot of rice? Huh? You want gravy?
Actually have more jobs in Bridgeport than what it is now.
What I think a criminal is? I think a criminal is someone that does the wrong things for the wrong reasons. Like, they're like, I'll go kill you just for fun, you know, just because I'm bored or looking at me wrong. Like, they're doing the wrong things for the wrong reasons, you know?
Quick question, Gary. You seem like you were going somewhere with that question.
No, because people use criminals in a wrong type of way, and like.
My name is Kevin Muhammad. I am a facilitator here at the Agents of Change program, My Brother's Keeper. I am here basically, as I was the previous 2 years, to make sure that children understand that violence, only people that are affected by it understand it. But what we're trying to do is prevent violence from taking place, at the same time to allow children to be change agents in this community. So it's an honor and a pleasure to give them the skills, the inner resources that they need, first of all, to not get into violence, but also to stop violence from taking place in their community.
My name's Sam. I'm 18. I go to Bassick High School. I live on the west side of Bridgeport, Connecticut. What I'm hoping to gain from this program is basically make smart decisions and stay out of the streets and away from violence.
My name is Taekwon. I'm 17. I attend Bassick High School, and I live on the east side of Bridgeport. What I intend to receive from this program is life skills on what to do and what not to do in certain situations.
He said some facts.
Oh,
Yes, you made a good point, Taekwon.
I think this should wrap it up. Because there's never a winner in like a death. Like, there's never a winner.
Nobody wins.
Like, somebody lost their life. A family has to bury somebody. And like, you're making people's jobs harder too. Like cops, they gotta find a killer, something like that. Like, you never like, It's never good to it. Never.
But then you said the other person goes where? You said.
Somebody do time.
Lot.
A lot, yeah, a lot. Sometimes life.
That's what we're saying.
Give him a hand. That's
Told you I had to keep moving.
What Taquan is taking over. Taquan is taking over.
Okay, what about
We should have wrapped it up.
Okay, quick to questions. Oh, this was a point we made, and I want to be careful with this point because we're about not having any violence, right? But what point did we say here? Anybody want to talk about that point?
We said we'd rather have an old-fashioned fight than a gun because I personally rather walk away with a black eye than a hole through my head, you know? Which is, I think we all can agree, like, do y'all agree? Y'all agree, right? I'd rather walk away with a bruise than get shot somewhere in my body or something, bleeding or something for me. So we just saying like an old-fashioned fight is way better than picking up a gun, a knife, just any of that. Because it's just safer at the end of the day, or just not fight at all, you know, still fight at all, but. Talk it out. Yeah.
Talk it out
figure something
first.
out.
But how many have had a fight with someone that became a good friend with that person afterward? Okay, I know I have. How many have had a good fight with someone and then wonder why you fight and you become good friends? Just about all of us have had that.
My name is Gary Stevens, and I go to Warren Harding High School. I'm 17. I live at the east end of Bridgeport, Connecticut. I want for my brother's keeper to see my city go in the right direction as well as myself.
Hi, my name is Taj. I'm 18. I go to Northwest Village School. I live on the north side. And one thing I want to learn from this program is that violence is bad and it's good to be getting out of power.